What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk and No Premium back with another episode of the Market Overview. Guys, today we had the FOMC minutes and levels played out almost perfectly to a T today as we continue. Basically another basing day here. NVDA absolutely crushed 10-1 stock split. Snowflake up, at least last time I checked, was up. So what does that mean for tomorrow? Well, assuming these buys hold over and through the night and into the open tomorrow, more than likely we're going to be looking to the upside. But really quick, let's check the economic data. We can see we've got 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time jobless claims and building permits come out 1 hour before the market open. Then we have some data 15 and 30 minutes after the market open. See the U.S. global U.S. Manufacturing PMI, composite PMI, global services PMI, etc. 15 minutes after the market open, 30 minutes after the market open. We do have new home sales. Okay, new home sales. I have to pay attention there. Let's go to the charts here now. Looking at the ES, like I said, 4-hour chart here, really flirting with these previous all-time highs, basing out, flag, whatever you want to call it. Got to take out 53.49. Now, should we have a gap up overnight through the Globex, right? And you're going to trade tomorrow, you can look if we open up above 43, call it 43.50. Look for the back test and then go from there. I'm looking for longs at 5,300 until that trade no longer works out. Okay, until then, you have a short under 5,300 that will work, give you about 30 points lower, more than likely, back into this 52.72s area. But for me, seeing NVIDIA and the reactions thus far, I'm looking to the upside. Let's see if we can break that 53.50 there on ES. Let's go to the NQ now. Long and strong, absolutely. Don't get in the way. This thing's going to go all day. I don't know. I just made that up. But look, nice, very nice trend off the 4-hour chart here. These previous all-time highs that you see we were just kind of sitting at, really holding. So I think that any dips into this about 17,800-ish area now are going to look to be bought up on any back test, any micro dip into this zone. I think we get bought up. I'm going to look for basically 19,000. I think is a pretty nice round hole number we can watch to the upside. But if we're going to trend, get the runners, throw the stops to even, enjoy the trend to the upside. That's how you're going to play NQ. Underneath 18,600, I do think we have a bigger correction and some downside levels that you want to watch from there. On to SPY guy now. Got to get above what? Oh, this, excuse me, I can't even speak right now. You want to get above this 531. Why is this doing that? Boy, that is really just ticking me off right now. Okay. 531.57. We can see this 528 level holding yet again, right? So short setup is there underneath 528, but it's not a huge short setup because we're going to bounce back at this previous all-time high here. So 528's a long, 526, 524. Under 524, huge drop off. But those are bounces. Can play the breaks of those levels. I don't love them because you're kind of fighting the trend a little bit. But for me, 531 gets taken out. Look to get long and strong. If we open up above it, look for the gap fill back down. Just really depends how the overnight traders, okay, and possibly the London session take this news release on the NVDA ER. See if it wants to hold all night. Currently, it's up, I think, like 60 points or something shit like that. Anyway, looking at NQ here now, right? We wanted to hold this 455, right? That was that big area, 455.50. No wicks below, opening up. Globex above it. So 455, as long as we hold, great. Take out 458.40 to trendy on up from there. 451 still about zone. IWM, little bit of weakness here from the minutes. Didn't really look at the data, but that tells me possibly something rate sensitive might have went on because there's going to be more of a reaction on these type of stonkies to be more rate sensitive, right? So really don't care about the data, just going to be watching the levels and trades here. Now, I'm thinking we get a bounce down here. Should we stay underneath 207? I'm going to favor a bounce a little bit lower down here at about 203. Can bounces early about 205. If we reclaim 207 on the open tomorrow, I'll look to just get long and strong to 209. Guys, other than that, if you're in the Wolves of Wealth, guys, swings are absolutely working and crushing. Congrats there. But other than that, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.